Welcome to EVO Studios. Today we are going to mount a GoPro Hero 5 Session or a Hero 4 Session, same camera, same size, same weight, just different innards, to the GP Pro and to an SS mountable gimbal. This is one of my favorite cameras. It's one of the most underestimated cameras in the action camera market. And when paired with one of our gimbals, this thing is virtually unstoppable. Our gimbals will ship by default with a flat mounting bracket that has a U-shaped clamp that will hold most rectangular shaped action cameras in place. You'll have to, of course, be specific of which type of action camera you have, because these U-shaped clamps change slightly with each camera design. When you order a Hero 5 Session mounting bracket, it will include a 1.5 millimeter hex-shaped wrench, and you can simply remove the back screws to remove this mounting plate. Once the default mounting plate is removed, you can come in with your Hero 5 Session or Hero Session tabs, and you slide that into place. Grab your little nugs here, and they are small, but if my giant hands can get in there and handle it, I'm sure that yours can as well. And your Hero 5 Session tabs are ready to go. Once you have the tabs in place, you can grab your Session cage and gently slide it in. The 6 millimeter metric screw that will be included, and the hex wrench. And you can quickly snug down the cage, and you are now ready to go. With the mechanism and the gimbal facing forward, motor on the right, rear motor pointing towards your chest, you'll be in the right position. You can slide in your Hero Session, and you are ready to shred. Now that we've got these bad boys teed up, it's time to head out to our local testing facility.